Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we'll be talking about the GoPro Hero 8 at Costco. So the normal price for this is $389. However, right now they're having $100 off since April 10th through May 4th. So if you're in the market for a GoPro, this would be perfect time for you to get it. Okay, and usually with Costco, they always bundle it up, and with this package here, what you get is the handler, which is this one, and then you get the spare batteries, and also the case, as well as the memory card, 32 gigabyte. Okay, I have the GoPro Hero 7 Black version. I think I paid it for about $399 or $389, somewhere around there. And it's been great. I use it under the water in the swimming pool. So, and sometimes I do other stuff as well. But if you're in the market, GoPro is the one to go to. Okay, and I looked at Best Buy as well and see what they have, and their price is. I'm not sure if the same one. This one says here live streaming action camera, but it's $400, and it does come with a bundle as well. This one has a head strap, and it has a little the stand like that. Okay, so, but I don't know if it's worth it, $100 more. I don't know if this camera is the same as the other one, but the way that the title says live streaming action camera, so just that's another option for you guys. So $399, and the other one is $289? $289. Okay. So if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in another video.